Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I am playing Khalid's Ode to You. I came across this song at Color Show. He does that performance as well. A little bit older song by now, but still a great song. So let's go into this and learn that little melody, but the main focus here will be the chords and the strumming, so that will be it. Capo on second. That is the best scenario for us to have as easiest the chords as possible. Now let's go into it. So we're gonna look into the chords. First we have F. Alright, so that's a bar chord. You place any string like this on the first fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. That's it. Next chord will be the A sharp. We're gonna go with the sus2 version. So that will be a bar again on the first fret. This time you don't have to bar the last E string in the bass, but the 5 strings below necessary. And then you need to add third fret D and third fret G. Let's move on to C next. And that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then finally we have the D minor. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Okay, so let's start with the melody for the verse play. You're gonna play this. Okay, that's for the F chord first, the first part. So you're gonna play third fret D string, second G, first B, first E, then open E, and then first B. And then comes the ending here, which is the second fret G string, first B, and back to second G. Then you go back and play again the same to this point, till you played third D, second G, first B, first high E, then open E and first B. And then you have the different ending here in the second round. You're gonna play this part. So what I do here is that I'm playing the third fret high E, and then I slide up. You could pick that one, but I don't. I just slide up to get the fifth high E, and then I pick the first high E. Okay, so that's a second round. That is a little bit different ending there. Then that's gonna take us to the next chord here. That will be the A sharp, and you're gonna play this. So that is to play third fret D string, third G, first B, and first high E. Now place a short little bar there on the B and E string. Much easier than have this stretchy, almost impossible grip. So a short bar there. And once you play that first high E, you wait a second or so, and then you play this. So that is third B to first B to third B. I use the pull-off technique once I play that third B. Get the first B, and then I pick that third B again. And that's the A sharp part, and then we have the final C part, and that is basically to play this. You're gonna pick that third fret A string together with open high E, and that's it. Alright, that's the verse play, and that is what I consider being the part you need to learn for the verse. If you want to learn something, that is for the verse play. You can play that melody, and that's it. That's what we're gonna focus on when it comes to the melody. Now let's go into the strumming and put more emphasis on that. We have a strumming pattern that is divided into two different parts, so we're gonna learn it now with the F chord. So one full round, both parts, goes like this. So part one will be down, up, clap. And second part will be up, down, up. So together, down, up, clap, down, up. A couple rounds. and so on. All right, so for the verse play, you're going to play F 4 full string rounds, both part 1 and part 2, 4 times. Then you're going to go to the A sharp and play 3 full rounds plus part 1. So 3 full rounds and then down, up, clap. And once you play that clap, you switch quickly to C and play part 2, up, down, up. So very short time you're going to play that C, so the transition from A sharp to C will be fast. But I used to have the correct timing for switches here. So that will be one chord progression around of the verse play. So F4, A sharp 3 plus part 1, and C part 2. Like this. 2, 3, 4, and A sharp. 3, C. Right, that is one verse play. Then we have the chorus play as well, and that is more straightforward. Okay, you're gonna play F 4 string rounds, then A sharp 2, D minor 1, and C 1. And that's it. So F 3, 4, A sharp 2, G minor, C. And that's it, my friends. That's all the tools you need to handle this cool song from Khalid, Ode to You. And that's what I felt as well. I owe this to you guys. And if you want to thank me in some way, then leave a comment here, like this tutorial, subscribe to this channel, and be back for next upload. Till then, play tuned.